So there I am, barbecue sauce all over my titties.
Who the fuck you talking to, man?
Talking to Kyle about the newest Monster Energy flavors.
Buddy, it's been almost over a month, man. We gotta film some form of fucking video.
It's been a month. Holy shit, man, our people need us. Fucking crack a dick. No.
Holy fuck, here, it's been a month.
Alright guys, it's the fucking crack a dick. We're here at 5 a.m. You see the dew on the cars? Cause we don't fuck around.
It's been a while.
It's fucking too early.
Fuck.
Alright.
Holy shit, eh? Are you working on my car today?
Yeah, I'm giving her a go. I'm giving her the chooch.
Right
Been
on.
handed over the key to the city of Noah's car. Gonna be putting in the short shift today.
Dude, I better fucking, I hope I have it. Pretty sure it's in here.
You'd be the dumbest bitch if you didn't have it. Alright. Gotta get the sockets. Socket driver set. Just rev the shit out of, start your car up, rev the shit out of it.
100%.
Yeah.
No doubt, eh?
No fucking doubt, man. Got the fucking sockets.
You get it, man?
Good to go, man.
Hell yeah, brother.
What bitch was drinking kombucha, man?
Have you seen the new Cody Co video on kombucha?
No.
It's like the kombucha king. Dude, it's funny as fuck.
Kombucha king, holy fuck.
Oh.
Man, why's your dilly at such a fucked angle?
Because the shifter's absolutely fucked, man. Fark, bruh.
Fix that now, brother. First step.
Get to going.
I don't even know.
Pull the shift knob off.
Why is it so fucking...
I don't even think it's for an Rx7, to be honest.
Yeah, we should use.
Dude, this is this fucking stock. The one that
Looks like
Ben gave me for the S14 a long time ago.
I thought it was a different thread pitch.
Well, shit, hey?
You just stripped her on, hey buddy?
Whatever.
Take this scrotus off.
Yeah, this is proper job.
Fucking Crown Royale.
Not bad. Don't break it, man.
Why is this fucking broken?
We broke that when we were doing the swap.
God damn. Fucking
Sorry about the glue, man.
amateur year out here.
Just watch this part. This part's cracked right here, so try and pull from the sides.
What's
Yeah,
that?
it's just like you just pull it off, man. Like that, dude.
God damn. This is why your shit's fucking broken.
True.
Alright. We'll take the rubber guy off here. That's so weird, brother.
Hell yeah, brother.
That's so weird.
I want some crispy focus on the arm right now. See all the hairs.
Dude, I'm self-conscious about my arm hairs.
Shave it off. Wax it off.
I'm not shaving my fucking arms.
Shave your bump crack, dude.
No. Dude, I read a thing. My brother showed me this article about this guy who shaved his ass hair. And then it grew back as stubble.
Ah.
And it like sanded his ass away as you walked because the stubble.
That's what I like to hear.
Dude, fuck.
Yeah, did we finally clean the sensor? Shut up.
Oh, she's going, man. Oh, it's Samoan. It's fucking Samoan, man. Fucking Samoan, man.
Just gotta sand.
Oh, dry? That's kind of fact.
Give her.
I don't tear it. Oh, I might need the extendo for this one, let me tell you.
No, you chilling.
Or do you have a 10 wrench?
No, I don't have wrenches, man.
Or back in business.
Hell yeah, brother.
Taking care of business every day. Yeah. Oh, motherfuck. This bum ass shifter can suck a chode. A big ol' wiggly chode.
Yup.
And a small ass chode.
Man, this shit's gonna look like a fucking movie, man.
Better. Or you're getting fired.
I lost my hard drive cable for the longest time, and I was like, fuck, there goes all of our videos.
Alright, she's coming out now. She's being born. Born again.
Right on, that's garbage.
This is
Read
garbage.
that top
Wait,
black bushing, though.
this one?
Yeah.
It's blue, man. How are we getting that off?
It just pulls off.
Like it swingters around this?
Yeah. This is
We need to get
fucking garbage, man.
What? We need to get that bushing out on the bottom, don't we?
Oh yeah, I have a screwdriver in here somewhere.
It's right here.
Come on, man! Is it moving at all?
It's just spinning. I think this thing needs to come out of the way. I just can't wait to be.
Alright, checking in a sec, boys.
Yeah.
Okay, we're back. This shit didn't want to fucking separate.
eBay, man.
Got it though. So, hold up. Okay. So wait, step one. This shit, the spacer, plops in there like that. Man, you fucked.
Plops in there like that. Yeah, let me see.
We'll just hammer it in. Here, we're gonna get this in, then we'll check back in.
She's fucking Samoan, man.
Almost there.
Yeah. Jesus, man.
Watch the trends, man.
Watch the fresh fucking paint. Not the fresh paint.
Okay, so step two. This bushing thing.
Bushing. Hindu
No,
bush.
is there an indent on that? No. Fuck. Is that lined up with the grooves? Is the white slot thing on the front? Yeah, okay, you're trying to give it. Is that in?
Yeah.
Would it really went in that easy?
Yeah, like it's past the clip.
Alright. Is it in the fucking hole though? Fuck, hey, who knows? Step two. This bitch lines up with the shifter. Like that. Maybe it's not seated all the way, but it'll probably tighten in there.
Yeah.
And then step three. Get the bushing, stock bushing. So you need the stock bushing still to put this on. And you just fucking bolt it down, man.
Do you have the bolts, man?
Yeah, they're in that bag.
Where the fuck are the bolts, man? Oh, these bolts smell like fuck. Mother trucker, dude. That's tighter than a butt cheek on a stick.
This thing sucks, man.
eBay. I'm still holding the clutch in. Oh. You're gonna be fucked, man.
Dude, that is the most... What the fuck? Did that break off in the trans?
Yeah, but it's like up a bit.
Okay. Fuck you, idiot.
Chinese bolts, man.
Just don't tighten that one that much.
No, I'm gonna loosen it. Fucking Chinese trash, man. Actually, every part for the scooter came straight from China.
That is so fucking stupid, man.
That snapped?
Yeah.
Chinese bolts. I wasn't even tightening it, like, at all. Well, I was tightening it, but, like, it wasn't tight. Also, the Rx7 shift pattern, isn't it fucking weird? Isn't there something weird about it? Like, you go diagonal.
Third's, like, really far, like, to the right. Like, once you go up from second.
Oh, she's moduled on there.
That's a relief, man.
That's a requeef, man.
Hang on, I'm gonna super glue this and then super glue that the fucking trim and then we'll put it back together. Well, fuck yeah, brother. Should you bleed the clutch really quick?
Yeah.
Right on. Fuck yeah, dude.
Thank you. don't buy stuff on eBay. It's our whole scooter bills.
Should learn, hey?
Sponsored by eBay.
Is it
Blue face.
Clutch bleeding time, man?
That was awkward. Yeah, we're gonna fucking bleed it.
Okay, 1 sec. Clutch does feel better, actually.
there you have it. We're back. We're on crack. Got a nutsack. Okay, so the fucking eBay short shifter's in. Feels like dick, but it's the way she goes.
Feels pretty good for like what it is.
It's not bad.
It's better than
it was before. So eBay short shifter's in. A little clutch bleed action. Didn't really do anything.
Didn't
but
change shit.
It's the way she goes. Yeah. So if you're not subscribed,
the fuck are you doing with your life?
yeah, fuck off.
Actually,
no, don't fuck
trying
off.
to hit
Subscribe.
10 million K.
Yeah, we're
so.
trying to be the first channel to 10 million K. So
Yeah, we're still on the road to 10 million. Took
Yeah.
a little break, but you know.
yeah,
we're
we took a
back.
little month-long break in Turkey. It was fucked. But yeah, we're back on crack. So fucking subscribe, like this video, comment your favorite color below. That was kind of heinous.
Fucking hell yeah.
Comment.
Do we retire the skidoo or what's going on?
No, dude, we're always skidooing.
Are you gonna skidoo it?
Should I skidoo it?
Yeah, you gotta fucking skidoo it.
Skidoo!